Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a huge descending triangle, price and of SLP was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that still it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern, forming low lows and lower highs. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, almost had another rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And now, without hitting the resistance of this wedge, the pricing is again dropped down at the support. This time it is, by the way, rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.003. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this $0.003 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks. And before that, for several weeks, a month, it has been breaking as support here as well. Therefore, again, it's breaking as strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this descending triangle and a very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Well, but before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for STG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Like here, you can see that I shared this signal on 11th of January 2024. And here you can watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern and forming lower highs and lower lows. And now the movement is quite squeezed inside this thread. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can break this pattern. By the way, this is considered as a bullish pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. However, price and breaks down the support, then technical target to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at $0.0016. But before that, we have so many supports. Like we have the previous resistance of the triangle that can now work as a support, and we will have another very long-term support here at $0.0021 as well. It has been previously working as a support of a bigger triangle as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that here we have this support of $0.0021. And you can see that for several months, it has been working as support for this triangle. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $0.006. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous triangle, you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short pump. But so far, the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. And that technical target will be here, that will be approximately at 1.1 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we may see a powerful attempt for the breakout of this resistance line. That starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. It has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.